Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters, www.orlandopainters.net. We're here at All-Star. All-Star Auto Lights. This is on Orange Avenue. Right off Orange Avenue and Division on 300 West Grant Street. We're here doing this epoxy floor. We started this project yesterday, cleaned the floor, grinded it, cleaned it. Came in this morning and I've seen some other areas that need to be addressed. We're putting 3 logos on the floor. So this area here, that area over there. I've got another guy grinding over here. And that area over there, logos are going to be going in the floor. They're just like a sticky back vinyl they had custom made. So when you put the custom, the logo on the ground, I want those areas, as smooth as I can get those areas. There's already, a little bit of a texture to this floor. So when you put those vinyl decals down, when you kind of squeegee them out, it just picks up all the texture from underneath, on the floor, and then your stencil or your decal logo has little bumps all in it. The customer doesn't want that, and neither do I. So we're kind of smoothing out these areas a little bit better. So we put the decals on the floor and kind of squeegee them down. They're nice and smooth to the floor. Look nice and flush, no textured marks all in it. So we're here grinding these areas again, regrinding some other problem areas that I saw, like along this line here. We're going to run a tape line all the way down this aisleway here and coat this floor. They're not coated back there, all those pallets are there, but you really want to make sure that you got open pores and nice raw concrete there. So when they come in with their forklifts and pallet jacks and slide them pallets into place, they're definitely going to be banging up that floor real hard. So you definitely want your epoxy to really bite into the floor right there, so when they do slide across there, it doesn't peel up on you. So you kind of got to do a once over before you can start putting your epoxy down. Just check the floor out, check the problem areas. I mean, you were here yesterday for like 14-15 hours grinding this floor, cleaning the floor, and a lot of times you don't see things until you clean the floor and it dries overnight. You got nice, you're rested, you got fresh eyes. You could take a walk around, as a team and look for any problem areas that you may want to address before you start putting down the epoxy. Because once the epoxy's down, it's a done deal. And you certainly don't want the customer calling you and telling you you got paint lifting and flaking off the floor. So we're hitting these areas now. Then we're going to clean this floor up again, shop vac this entire floor, mop it again, start running the border around the outside of it so it's just going a different color. Give the floor some time to kind of dry up a little bit. We're not going to saturate the floor with water. We're just going to run shop vac and kind of wet mop the floor just to get all the concrete dust off the floor so the coating adheres real well. But thanks again for stopping by, watching this video. Orlando Painters, LLC. Thank you, All-Star, for the business. It is Labor Day weekend, but that's okay. Appreciate the business anyway, and working certainly keeps everybody out of trouble. So thanks again, and have a wonderful and safe Labor Day weekend.